Let's get to the point. Nakaka-relax talaga sa mata ang specific shade of purple ng ube. Like from the new ube Parmesan Basque cheesecake from Paris Baguette. And this was one of the most delicious versions also of ube cheesecake for me because of its 2 layers. Kasi merong unique layer siya na hindi ko nakikita sa iba. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. May several branches na sila pero I tried it sa Paris Baguette branch sa SM North in Quezon City. Nasa second floor sila ng main building malapit sa IMAX Theater. The closest mall entrance is Jollibee. And para hindi na kayo mahirapan, itong essential information ng branch na ito. Magandang branch, 2 floors siya. Favorite ko talaga yung second floor kaya lang puno during my visit. So ground floor muna tayo. By the way, mabait and magaling ang staff dito. The cost is 270 pesos per slice. And you can also order it as a whole cake. Ito ang wireless earphones case ko for size reference ng slice. Masarap siya pero I need to be honest, maliit ang slice for me for this price. Pero may 2 delicious ube layers siya which made this version better than their competitors and which I feel helped justify the higher price. Number 1, thick ube foam. Dito tumama ang version ni Paris Baguette. Lasang ube halaya na thankfully not too sweet with some ube pieces. Number 2, may base layer na ube flavored cheesecake. Pansin ko mas ube-flavored ito than their competitors. And may welcome slight sourness ng cheesecake also. And I also love the salty Parmesan cheese sa taas. Yung Parmesan is dagdag color and flavor. Overall, nasarapan ako sa new ube cheesecake ni Paris Baguette. Despite the size and the price, bumawi naman sa flavor for me. And share ko lang, parang napapagod ako lately. Buti na lang beautiful things and experiences like this truly help cheer us up.
Click follow for the next story.